Welcome to Automation Fair 2024. I'm Amanda Joshi, Managing Editor of the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our partner Network magazine. I'm here to show that it's a top show to be at if you are in any space in the industrial automation industry. And one of the companies that is here at the show and is willing to talk about it, talk about what they have and their innovation and what they're doing to advance operation in industrial automation is AMCI. And I'm here today with Justin, who's going to tell us more about the company.
Yes, so AMCI has been a partner with Rockwell since the 1980s. We've grown our business from working with them on plug-in modules for their early PLCs, and now we've grown into motion control solutions. We started out manufacturing resolver interfaces for their PLC 5 and SLC 500s, and we grew into doing SSI modules, stepper modules, and now we've grown with the motion control into doing integrated stepper motor solutions that integrate seamlessly with the Rockwell PLCs, such as the new Compact Logic 5380 and several other PLC platforms.
That's awesome. You talked about being in your relationship with Rockwell Automation. Tell me more about your being part of the technology partner program.
So being a Rockwell technology partner, we integrate seamlessly with their PLCs and other devices. Having custom data tag solutions for customers makes it a lot simpler for them to program and reduces a lot of downtime in the machines because they're able to accurately and reliably see what's going on inside their system. We also have a lot of benefits such as add-on profiles, add-on instructions, which make it a lot easier for the programmer, and like I said, reduces that downtime and increases throughput on their machines.
And what are some of the things you're highlighting at the show?
So today, specifically, we're highlighting our new CIP Sync feature. We're able to synchronize a master axes on the internal PLC with our motion products here. And so what we're doing is we're showing multiple axes running off of one virtual axis. We're also showing off some new safety features such as safe torque off, and also some features such as environmental protections like IP67 and the absolute encoder feedback that we have on our stepper systems.
And with those features, what are some examples of an application it would be used in?
So a lot of the applications we handle are food and beverage, paper and pulp. And we also get some lumber as well. We're not just a motion control company, we're also a position sensing company. And so we can handle a lot of high vibration applications or high heat. And so those call for things like resolvers or networked solutions like I/O. And then for our motion stuff, we can do steppers and servos. So we'll get a broad range of motion control solutions for our customers.
That is great. You have a lot of great products here and a lot of excitement that has been at your booth. And I'd like to, if you would like to hear more and learn more about AMCI, check out the website on your screen. I'm Amanda Joshi. Thank you for watching.